Hi viewers, welcome back to Classic Cookery. I'm Harita. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy and healthy sesame seeds and dates paste laddu. So these are the sesame seeds and date paste laddus. So first I'm going to show you how to make, and next I'm going to tell you what are the healthy benefits of all of sesame seeds. So let's get started. So take 1 cup of white sesame seeds in a pan and keep the heat in a low medium. So keep the heat in low medium and keep stirring it until it turns into light brown color. So it just takes like 5 to 7 minutes. So just keep stirring it and don't leave the pan and don't go away. Once it starts splattering everywhere and the seeds will become very tiny and will change the color and you will feel nice aroma. So that is the time you have to turn off the heat. Now it starts spluttering everywhere and it turns the color slowly. So now you can see sesame seeds are turned into brown color and I'm feeling nice great aroma. So this is the time to turn off the stove and take off the pan from the heat. So now take 1 cup of roasted sesame seeds and half a cup of desiccated coconut powder. And here I took dates paste. If you don't have dates paste available, you can use normal regular pitted dates. Take off the pit and chop the small pieces and you can add it and you can make a paste. So please do not use white sugar or brown sugar. Try to use organic sugar or organic brown sugar. Nowadays we have variety of sugars are available in market. So please go ahead and check use which is good for your health. But remember that do not use white sugar. It is very harmful for your health. Now take everything in a blender and we have to make a fine powder. First sesame seeds and coconut powder mix together and make a fine powder. So now I am adding 1 cup of dates paste. So again we have to pulse it once and after that we can make a laddus. You don't need to pulse too much, you don't need to run it, just pulse it and take it off. We are just going to mix all together, that's also we don't need to mix too much. Now sesame seeds and dates paste is ready. Just drop it in a bowl everything. Collect all the mix in a bowl. So just mix it all together by hands to make sure that everything is very well combined. So now take a handful of mix and try to make a ball the way how I am doing in a video. You don't need to add any oil or any butter. You can simply make it because of the dates paste and sesame seeds paste is easily forms a laddu. So when you make a paste of sesame seeds, automatically it releases sesame oil. So you don't need to add any oil or butter from outside to form a laddu. So easily you can make a laddu, and if you want you can roll it on a coconut powder at the end and you can serve it, or if you don't like to add more coconut powder you can simply serve it as it is. So adults can eat laddu once a day and kids can eat twice a day. So now sesame seeds laddus are ready to serve. Usually we will depend upon the milk for calcium. So how much milk you need per day? So if you take kids, they need 600 milligrams of calcium per day. Adults, they need 450 milligrams of calcium, whereas pregnant ladies, they need 900 milligrams of calcium per day. So if you take 100 grams of milk, you will have only 125 milligrams of calcium. If you take 100 grams of sesame seeds, you will have 1000 milligrams of calcium. So instead of drinking more quantity of milk, you can include a small quantity of sesame seeds in our diet. That way you can avoid all health problems from milk. So that's why experts are suggesting to replace milk with sesame seeds. So putting more dairy in your body causes to diarrhea, constipation and diabetes, and it also leads to cancer. And well, you can also use black sesame seeds in place of white sesame seeds. So even doctors suggested do not feed cow's milk under 1 to 2 years kids. So the side effects of the cow's milk is babies cannot handle it cow's milk because of its high level of protein and fat in cow's milk. So cow's milk is designed for baby calves to grow faster, not for your baby or for anyone. So that is the reason if you see. So some are intolerant of milk, some kids they don't even like to drink milk, and some they are allergic to milk. So to avoid all these problems and to get all the benefits of the milk, you can easily substitute sesame seeds in the place of milk. To make this laddu, so you can simply roast the sesame seeds like this, and you can top it on your salads or breads or anything, whatever the food you eat, you can top it out and you can enjoy the sesame seeds. And make sure that when you are eating sesame seeds directly, you have to chew it or you have to crush it on your teeth, then you have to swallow it. If you don't chew it and if you don't crush it, you just swallow it, there is no benefit out of sesame seeds. So in case if you can't chew it, you can make a powder of roasted sesame seeds and you can top it on your salads or on your food, whatever the food you eat, you can mix it along with and you can eat it every day once. That way it will fulfill all your calcium needs, whatever your body required. So if you make curries every day, you can make a powder out of sesame seeds and you can add on our curries every day. That also fulfills your calcium needs. So I just want to let you know that sesame seeds are the best substitution for the milk. So guys, don't forget to add this wonderful ingredient of sesame seeds in our everyday diet, and you don't need to worry about calcium deficiency in future. And I forgot to tell you, sesame seeds are very good source of fiber, copper and magnesium as well. My video, please give thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I will see you in my next video. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.